Hi friends, today we'll discuss how to have strong subjective well-being, which is the root to health, happiness and prosperity. But before that, what is well-being? Well-being is the state of being comfortable, healthy and happy. It is also known as wellness or quality of life. What is intrinsically valuable to a person? That well-being is most important. It is the opposite of illness. It is the wellness which is the opposite of illness. National Wellness Institute promotes 6 dimensions of well-being by physical, emotional, intellectual, social, occupational and spiritual. Subjective well-being is a type of well-being. It is self-reported measure of well-being, typically assessed through questionnaires. Now, objective well-being indicators are based on using objectives, unbiased, verified facts. Objective well-being indicates well-being in terms of quality of life, which is normally indicated by income, food, housing, and social attributes like education, health, freedom, social connections. So, subjective well-being, normally termed as SWB, comprises of 3 main components. One is life satisfaction, which must be high. Other is positive effect, which should be very frequent. And third is negative effect, which should be infrequent. So, subjective well-being is attached to both hedonic and eudaimonic happiness. Hedonic happiness achieved through enjoyment and pleasure. And as you know, eudaimonic happiness comes through experiences of meaning of life and fulfillment of purpose. So how to measure subjective well-being? How to achieve subjective well-being more by measuring it? Overall check how satisfied are you with your life? How life events are worthwhile to you? How you enjoy family life and work life? How happy did you feel yesterday and in recent past? How anxious did you feel yesterday and in recent past? So happiness, anxiety, all this matters a lot. E.T. Diener, the great scientist, developed a tripartite model of subjective well-being in 1984, which indicates emotional reactions and cognitive judgments. How to improve subjective well-being? It can be improved by exercise and yoga, which can cater to both physical health and mental components of quality of life. Following interventions can be effective. Physical activity intervention like walking in nature, psychological activity interventions like mindfulness, problem solving, environmental activity interventions like gardening, ergonomically activity interventions like posture actions or right sitting posture. These are examples. There may be many more. Multi-component activity interventions, for example, mix of all such activities. Our meta-analysis reports comprising multiple scientific studies can be good guiding factors to improve subjective well-being. So improve your subjective well-being and enjoy life every day. Thank you.